Hello everybody, what is up? It is Cyborg Elf here with another video. Today I want to do a video going over how to use Il2CppDumper, what it is, the reason it exists, and I want to go over all of that. Because in my last video I went over modding Unity games using DNSpy, and this video was good and accurate, but at the time I didn't realize that there is a difference between Il2CPP and Mono for the backend scripting on Unity. So I plan to just address that all and just get into like what the differences are and how to mod and hack different games. But before we jump into that, I'd like to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers a subscription-based plan that gives its members access to a wide variety of educational courses. Skillshare has many topics to learn, such as, but not limited to, video production, web development, and programming. Skillshare's high-quality courses and videos make learning a new topic easy. Skillshare members get access to thousands of high-quality classes with hands-on projects and feedback from a community of millions. If you're like me and enjoy film, you might enjoy the fundamentals of DSLR photography taught by Justin Briggs. Or you might enjoy picking up a new programming language on Skillshare. Start your 2020 year off right, whether you're advanced in a topic or dabbling in a new field. Skillshare has classes that can fit your learning style and schedule. Skillshare is incredibly affordable with an annual subscription that's less than $10 a month. Learn something new this year. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. Alright, so Il2CPP, that's a tongue twister. Alright, so Il2CPP stands for Intermediate Language to C++. It's made by Unity and it's simply a backend scripting. Previously there was Mono, and again that's what this last video, that's what we went over. But this Il2CPP was built later, and then you can read up more on it. It's not really too important. Here you can see on the Unity engine you actually have a choice between using Mono and Il2CPP. So I guess that's interesting. And you can't just straight up open a Il2CPP DLL or a game assembly in DNSpy like we can with Mono. And that's for many reasons. I'll show you why right here with Among Us. You'll see we'll get no useful information out of it. So let me just grab this file path and head over to it. So let's open up the game assembly, and you can see right here we're not going to see anything that is useful. You know, we got the DOS info. We can actually see right here in section 1 that this is Il2CPP. So, you know, that's just interesting, I guess. This is the reason we use this dumper. I'm tired of saying Il2CPP. It's pretty good, and you only need to give it the assembly and the metadata, and it can do its job. You can read up more on it. They have a lot of common errors and all of that. But let's come over here to releases, click on that, and download this one right here. Again, these links will be in the description. I don't prefer the Netcore one. I prefer this one right here. So go ahead, download that. If you don't have WinRAR, well, first off, shame on you, but you need it to extract this file. But after you have that extracted, just open up the folder, and you can run the exe. It's going to open up, and it's probably going to want you to take it to a file location, so just bring it to wherever your game is. And you want to find the game assembly.dll and open that up. It'll open another window, and what it's wanting is going to be your metadata. So typically it's located in here, like that. And after that, it'll do everything on its own. It's really nice, very well programmed. So it's done. It made the dummy DLL, and that's what we're interested in. So right here you can see the folder it just created. So we'll open that up. And what we're interested in, you know, you can take a look at this. You might want to look at some other things like the Unity Engine DLL, but we're going to look at this right here. So let's open up DNSpy. Again, if you don't have it, link will be in the description. It's a very useful piece of software for reverse engineering. And let's open that up. So we're going to open up right here and head over to the location. And that's going to be Yeah, so we're going to open the assembly.c#DLL, expand on that, and right here you can see all of the classes, methods, and such. Just explore around. One thing you might notice is it might look like encrypted with these variable names, and you'll notice it looks off compared to our last video using when we looked at a mono one. I don't think this is just default with Il2CPP. I think Among Us is doing something in their game actually in an effort to just encrypt and obfuscate their code. I'm sure there's already solutions to this on game hacking forums and stuff on how to decrypt it or deobfuscate it. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And again, I was just wanting to highlight the difference, that there is a difference between Il2CPP and mono, because I didn't go over that in this video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave a like. I do like to make this content for all of you. Anyways, peace out.